Good morning, students. Today our topic linear equations in two variables. Subtopic is equation of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So let us consider an equation x is equals to 3. So it is a one variable equation and it has a unique solution. When we identify these equation on the number line, so the place of the equation is here, x is equals to 3. But what about when we try to identify this equation on the Cartesian plane? So let us see. So here our equation x is equals to 3. Here 3 transpose x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is equation in one variable here is x. When we are try to change this equation in terms of two variables, so here x plus 0 into y minus 3 is equals to 0. This is our required equation to draw this equation on the Cartesian plane. Here Cartesian plane means x and y terms. So 0 into y is nothing but 0. Here x plus 0 minus 3, x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is nothing but our first equation. When we have to draw this equation on the Cartesian plane, x and y values are necessary. So here 0 into y is nothing but 0. So when we draw this equation on Cartesian plane, here x values are constant. For any value of y, x is constant. Why? Because x is equals to 3. This is our Cartesian plane. For any value of y, x becomes constant. Here any value of y, x is always constant, means x is equals to 3. So here in the Cartesian plane, the equation has infinitely many solutions. In our number line, it has only unique solution. In our Cartesian plane, this equation has infinitely many solutions. This is our substitution part. In Cartesian plane, our equation is x plus 0 into y minus 3 is equals to 0. 0 into y is nothing but 0. This is x is equals to 3 equation. It is nothing but. Here transpose this 3. So x plus 0 into y is equals to 3. Take LHS. For any value of y, x is always 3. For any value of y multiplied with 0, it will be 0. Here 3 is equals to 3. LHS is equals to RHS. For any value of y, x is always 3. These are all y values. These are x values. For any value of y, x is always 3. So the solutions of this LHS side is 3 minus 6, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 4, 3 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 3, 0. Join these points, we can get a line. It is always parallel to y-axis and it is always equidistant from y-axis. So finally our conclusion is, for this one variable equation has infinitely number of solutions in a Cartesian plane. But in the number line, this type of one variable equations has only one solution. When we are trying to draw this one variable equation on Cartesian plane, it has infinitely many solutions. This is our conclusion, final conclusion. And this is a number instead of y. When we have to substitute any number, x is always 3 and it is parallel to y-axis. Here it is a parallel to y-axis. This is second point. Third one, it is always equal distance from y. Here is also distance is 3. Here is also distance is 3 units. Here is also distance is 3 units. Here this point to this point is also distance is 3 units. Here is also this point to this point, distance is also 3 units. It is always equal distance from y. So the equation of x is equals to 3 is always equal distance from y. Equal distance, equal distance, equal distance means x is equals to 3 units. This is our first problem on do this. So first Roman, first problem, draw the graph of the following equation. This is x is equals to minus 4 is nothing but y term is 0. Here minus 4 transpose x plus 4 is equals to 0. This is also written x plus 0 into y plus 4 is equals to 0. 0 into y term is 0. It is nothing but x plus 4 is equals to 0. We can draw the solutions on the Cartesian plane. So solutions of this equation is minus 4 comma a. A means any real number on the number line. Here the graph of this equation is like this. Here the solution of this graph is minus 4 comma 3, minus 4 comma 2, minus 4 comma 1, minus 4 comma 0, minus 4 comma minus 1, minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma minus 3 and infinity so on. So this type of solutions of the form minus 4 comma a. A means y coordinate. A is any real number. Here our second question from the graph, are the graph is parallel to y axis? Yes, it is parallel to y axis. Find the distance between graph and y axis. This is third question from first Roman. Find the distance between graph and y axis. This graph is always equidistant from y axis, that is 3 units. 3 units, 3 units. This is always follows a equal distance from any point on the y axis, that is 3 units. Here is also this point to this point is 3 units. Here is also this one to this one distance is 3 units. Here is also 2 to minus 4 is also 3 units. Here is also 3 comma minus 4 is also 3 units. This is follows a equidistance from y axis and it is parallel to y axis. So finally this is solution. The given equation has infinitely many solutions of the form, the solutions of the form minus 4 comma a. Here x value is always constant, that is minus 4, and y is any real number. This is our second problem from do this. Draw the graph of the following equations. So here our first question, draw the graph of the following equations. This is first bit, y is equals to 2. And next question, are all these parallel to x axis? And third one, from the distance between graph and x axis in each case is a constant. So solution of this equation, when y is equals to 2, here 2 transpose y minus 2 is equals to 0. This is one variable equation. One variable is here y. It could be written in terms of two variables, 0 into x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Here x term is 0, x coefficient is 0. It is nothing but y minus 2 is equals to 0 resultant. So these are the solutions of the given equation in two variables. When x is equals to minus 4, y is equals to 2. When x is equals to minus 3, y is equals to 2. When x is equals to minus 2 is also y is equals to 2. When x is equals to minus 1 is also y is equals to 2. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 2. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 2. 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. Here y value is always constant for different values of x. Substitute these values x and y in the given equation LHS side. Here x is equals to minus 4, y is equals to 2. Substitute these values on LHS side. So we can get here 0 into any value of x is always 0, remaining value is a constant in every situation, that is 2. So LHS is equals to RHS. These are all solutions of the given equation. So we can obtain infinitely many solutions from these type of equations. So plot these points on the graph so we can get a straight line that is parallel to x-axis. This is the graph of given equation y is equals to 2 on coordinate plane. This plane is called, this 4 coordinates is called coordinate planes. This is the solution of the graph y is equals to 2. So this is a Cartesian plane. Here these 4 coordinates are called Cartesian planes. Here our points minus 1 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2, minus 3 comma 2, minus 4 comma 2 and 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 2. By using these points we can draw a straight line that is parallel to x-axis and equal distance from any point. Here distance between minus 3 to 2 is 2 units, minus 2 to 2 is 2 units, minus 1 to 2 is also 2 units. The distance between this axis to our graph is always same distance. So this is our second question. Are all these parallel to x-axis? Yes, it is true. These are all parallel to x-axis. And third question, from the distance between graph and x-axis in each case is same, that is 2 units. These are the solutions of given problem. Finally, from these two questions we can state that, which questions? Do these questions. From these two questions we can state that the graph of x is equals to k is always parallel to y-axis at a distance of k units. Here the units of x is 3. Here the distance between the y-axis is also 3. So take one example, x is equals to 2. Here it is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of k units means here x is equals to 2. At any instance, here 1 to 2, here 1 to this point, here 3 to this point, here minus 1 to this point, here minus 2 to this point. At any distance, the distance between the y-axis to our graph is 2 units. Here x is equals to k units. The distance between the y-axis to resultant graph is also k units. Here x is equals to k, so the distance between the y-axis to the graph is also k units. And passing through the points k comma 0. This is our next point. The graph of y is equal to k is parallel to x-axis. Here we have to take, instead of k is 3. Here y is equals to 3. It is always parallel to x-axis at a distance of k units. Here y is equals to 3. So the distance between the y-axis is always at any instant is 3 units. Here k units. And passing through the points 0 comma k. Here is also passing through the points minus 3 comma 3, minus 2 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 3. At any point of x, y is always a constant number. So the points 0 comma k. This is our next topic, equation of x-axis. So here equation of x-axis means y is equals to 0. Let's consider y is equals to 0 when we have to write this equation in terms of two variables, that is x and y. Here 0 into x plus y is equals to 0. 0 into x is nothing but always 0. Why? Because x coefficient is 0. We have to substitute any value instead of x. This term is always 0. So for any value of x, y becomes 0. By taking LHS, 0 is the only one value we have to substitute instead of y. That value satisfies the given equation. So here y is always 0. So identify these values on the graph. So here minus 0, 1 is here. Minus 2 is 0 is here. And 0 and 0 is the origin, 1 and 0 is this point, and 2 comma 0 is this point. So these values always represents x-axis. So it is the equation of x-axis. Y is equals to 0 is the x-axis equation. This is our next one, equation of y-axis. Equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0. Let us consider x is equals to 0. So x plus 0 into y is equals to 0. We have to return this equation in terms of two variables. So 0 into y is always 0, this term. So it is always again x is equals to 0. So both are same. So for any value of y, x becomes 0. Here we have to take instead of y any value, any integer value, 0, minus 1, minus 2 to 1, 2. Always we have to substitute x is equals to 0. Why? Because it is the only way to satisfy the LHS and RHS results. So x is always 0. So x is equals to 0 is the y-axis equation. Here 0 comma minus 2, here 0 comma minus 2, here 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 1, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 2, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 3. So x is equals to 0 represents y-axis. This is the equation of y-axis. X is equals to 0 is the equation of y-axis. This is exercise 6.5. First question. Give the graphical representation of the following equations. First question on the number line, second one on the Cartesian plane. Previous problem we already know how to draw x is equals to 3, y plus 3 is equals to 0, y is equals to 4. These type of questions, but this is different from previous one. So first we have to draw on the number line. First solve the equation. This is one variable equation. 3x is equals to plus 5 transposes to minus 5. X is equals to minus 5 by 3. So identify this value on the number line. So here 0 to 6, 0 to minus 7. So in the denominator the value is 3. So 0 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3, minus 6 by 3. So minus 5 by 3 value is here. We have to identify this value on the number line. The place of the number is here. Minus 5 by 3 is here. So first question on the number line, identify on the number line is completed. Next one on the Cartesian plane. Identify these values on the Cartesian plane. So here our equation is x is equals to minus 5 by 3. Substitute y coefficient is 0. So our equation becomes with xy variables is x plus 0 into y is equals to minus 5 by 3. So solution of this equation of the form minus 5 by 3 comma a. A is the y coordinate and it is a real number. For any value of y, x is always constant, that is minus 5 by 3. By using this solution, plot the graph on the Cartesian plane. So we can get x scale is 1 by 3 units. 1 centimeter is 1 by 3 units. On y axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. This scale is better way to represent these solutions on the graph. So here minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3. On x axis the required solution is here. Minus 5 by 3 is here. Minus 5 by 3 comma 1. This one is minus 5 by 3 comma 2. This one is minus 5 by 3 comma 3. Here is also minus 1. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. The points minus 5 by 3 comma minus 1, minus 5 by 3 comma minus 2, minus 5 by 3 comma minus 3. So this is parallel to y axis and it is equidistant from y axis. My dear children, exercise 6.5 first Roman, remaining problems and second Roman as your homework. If you have any doubts, please contact my number. Thank you.